Hi, I'm Angel Nightingale. Welcome to my channel. I have written many different fairy tale stories for both kids and adults to enjoy, and other interesting videos. Please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you won't miss out on great videos that's beneficial to all. Have a beautiful day to each and everyone. Enjoy.
3-ingredient healthy ice cream. Buzz of juicers everywhere builds, and I hear of more and more people making resolutions to clean out their systems and drink more juice, at least temporarily. No judgment. In fact, last year at this time I was on a 5-day juice cleanse, so my juicer was working hard and I was feeling alive and clean. This year, though, I am more in the mood to make my ice cream machine hum rather than my juicer. Ingredients: half a cup coconut milk, 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon cornstarch or tapioca starch, see note. 1½ cups fruit or vegetable juice, freshly pressed if possible. Instructions: in a medium mixing bowl, stir the tapioca starch with 1/4 cup of the coconut milk until smooth. Set aside. Heat the remaining coconut milk in a small saucepan over low heat until it bubbles around the edges. Whisk the starch mixture into the coconut milk and cook gently over low heat, stirring briskly until mixture begins to thicken, which will happen quickly. Once it appears to be thickening, remove it immediately from the heat and whisk in the juice. Transfer the mixture to a heat-proof bowl and let it cool to room temperature, then refrigerate until chilled. Process in your ice cream machine according to manufacturer's directions. Recipe notes. Note: you can make tapioca starch by grinding instant tapioca in a spice mill or mortar and pestle until powdery.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Have a beautiful day to each and everyone.